Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a letter logo by using grid. This is very essential for your design thinking, so friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on our platform. So, no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. First take line segment tool and draw a line. Chose stock color black. Now copy this line by hold Alt and Option key for Mac. Now select both line and make it group. Select this line and go to Edit, then Copy, again Edit, and Paste in place. Go to Transform and rotate it 60 degrees. Now select this line, right-click, go to Transform and Reflect and copy it vertical. Now place it perfectly. Select this line and go to Edit, Copy, again go to Edit, and Paste in place. Now go to Transform and rotate it 180 degrees. Now place it perfectly. Now follow this process carefully. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now select everything and take Shape Builder tool. Choose Fill Color is black. Drag carefully so as not to make any mistakes. Okay, that's good. Now select this shape and see that it is grouped. Now right-click and ungroup it. Now select all shape, and move it to a site. Now select all line and delete. Select everything, and increase the stock. I think 6-point stock is great. Now go to Object, Path, Outline Stock. Then go to Pathfinder, and make it Unite. Now ungroup this shapes, and colorize the logo. So friends, finally I create my logo.